Welcome guys, man, welcome back to the channel, man. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Eric, also known as Diablito Speeds. What you see behind me is my Mustang. I just got my bottle of nitrous refilled, 10-pound bottle. It's nice and filled. I haven't really messed around with the nitrous in a minute. I want to keep this thing ready to rock. I want to keep this thing ready to go. I have the nitrous tune in there. I have everything I need. I'm just gonna dial it in today, because as you know, I live here in Cali, Southern Cali. There's not too many open roads out here to me just go mess around time. So I gotta use the next best thing, and that's the freeways. But what you do see on these freeways out here in LA is a lot of other modified cars. So we like to have fun every now and then. So that's why I'm gonna have this thing ready to go, and that's why I'm gonna get it ready to rock today. So stay tuned. I'm gonna mess around with my window switch, my ramp, and all that stuff. Just go a little slower this time. Alright, here we go. Go on your hat. First and foremost, guys, what I like to do is I like to turn on my nitrous bottle and check everything while the car's off. Make sure there's no leaks. So you can hear the nitrous on. Turn it all the way on. Hear no immediate leaks. Sounds good to me. Let's go check underneath the hood. God, it's so windy today. If just my luck, it would be so windy today. But that's alright, we can still get some good rips. So the nitrous line comes all the way here to the purge or the diverting valve right here. This is my purge system. This is my nitrous solenoid right underneath there. I got my fuel solenoid right underneath there. And then from there, they connect right into my throttle body. Nitrous side is blue, fuel side is red. So everything looks good. I run C16 race fuel with this thing, so I'm good. Right a little under half a tank. Everything looks solid and ready to rock. Now that the car is on and it's idling, I go ahead and check if I got the right tune in there, guys. I've never made the mistake of shooting nitrous with the wrong tune, and I don't want to. But there's my N gauge. It says, look, tune at the bottom. LUN 9193 octane. With nitrous R12, that's my nitrous tune, guys. And then I go and check. Alright, so I'm checking that's my fuel pressure here. I'm right at 60, little over 60. I need to be at 55, so I need to dial that down a little bit. Alright, so my fuel is good. Now I'm pumping at right about 550, 556, which is pretty optimal. A little over 55 by 1, but it's better a little over than that. So there it is here. That's my fuel gauge there, my fuel pressure. There's no leaks in the nitrous. Fuel is going in. Let me go ahead and turn that off. Don't need to put it on. Here's my nitrous switches. I got the fuel cell back here, the heater. Let's turn it on. There's my purge, and that's my nitrous. Let's check the window switch. Turn the window switch on. Check it right here. Right now my RPMs are at 720, throttle position 0%. I'm not stepping on it. Go ahead and let's set it to engage at 4200. Set it to come off at 7200. Wide open throttles at 4.4. Nice. And we're good to go. My ram time right now I have it set at 0.5. Let's leave it at there. Let's do a second today. Let's see what happens there. Other than that, it's ready to go, guys. Let's go shoot some nitrous. We're inside. Everything seems to check out so far. There's no immediate nitrous leaks. The bottle warmer, the heater is turning on. It is on, so it's getting that hot to 950. I still got to go fuel up with some 91, so that should take up some time. By the time I do that, that should be hot. What else? My window switch is set to engage at 4200 and set to disengage at 7200. And also one other safety feature with this Nitrousexpress window switch is that it uses the RPMs, which is what you just saw there in the window switch, and throttle position. So the throttle position has to be at basically full throttle. I have it set for 96%, but that's basically full throttle. So if those two parameters are not hitting, it's not going to shoot nitrous. So that's like a little safety feature. That way you don't, nitrous isn't already the best thing for the motor, but it's not the worst. It just depends on how you use it. So don't be scared if you guys are thinking about nitrous to get it. But other than that, everything is good. I have my camera here. I have this camera there. Hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. Alright, what's up, guys? We're almost in our parameters. If you guys are thinking about using nitrous, man, I would recommend getting everything that that is essential to it. But what I mean by that, you don't have to go and spend top dollar for a system. Obviously, people get into nitrous because it's more cost effective. But at the same time, don't go too cost effective. Just because you're playing with nitrous, and what I mean by that mainly is, I did it before. I would get a heat gun and heat up the bottle, and because I didn't want to spend the $250 on a bottle heater. But the bottle heaters are so legit, man. They're automatic, dude. It's a flick of a switch. You don't got to do anything. It warms up. It's literally already in the parameter, and I turned it on not near less than 5 minutes ago, and I don't have to do anything. Boom, just turn it on, ready to rock, and other than that, get the window switch with the throttle position sensor and RPMs. If we can hit it again as soon as I find that open road, I'm taking it, man. Out here in Cali, you gotta take whatever you can get. Right here, this is where I'm gonna do it. 60. Today, man. Whoo, man. Whew. I knew it was a good idea getting all that old nitrous out of that bottle and putting in some fresh nitrous, bro. The problem that I had is the past two times I refilled it, I just kept adding to what was in there. Now, someone who knows more than me in nitrous, maybe that's okay, right? Keep adding, but I don't know, man. I felt like a good rip on that one, guys. Jesus, that was a good rip. Whew. Jeez. It's a good rip. Alright, guys, we had time for one good rip. I just got the nitrous pool in. Check it out, man. Look at what I got to deal with. I'm literally 1 mile away from my exit, guys. And this is what you got looking forward to if you want to come out to Cali. Man, but you know what? I wouldn't have it any other way. All right, guys, man, stay tuned. I'm going to be coming at you with some more nitrous runs in here soon. I'm making sure this thing is dialed in. I hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later.